Yes! Oh, he fell off. No, Emmanuel. Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me just lower the chair for you. Oh, do you want a high?
Huh?
You want a high or low?
Either? Yes.
You tell me.
I mean, I don't know how it feels though.
Alright. Here you go.
Oh yeah.
Joseph actually has pockets. I don't want to smoke.
He's off.
Oh, Manuel the legend.
Whoa, I can do wheelies. What are you talking about?
Did he do a wheelie? No.
No, but I can.
A wheelie's whenever you go on one wheel.
I can go on one wheel for like.
Terminology.
I could.
So basic. It is.
I can make a wheelie, but for like 2 seconds. Where'd Emmanuel go? Emmanuel!
Don't touch.
Where'd he go?
Very weak intercostal muscles.
What's that?
The muscles in between your ribs.
Why?